Hi, everyone. I'm Aibek, co-founder of Superflex. We help remove the gap between designers and developers. We spent the last 6 months helping devs convert Figma designs to production-ready code. So think of it like going from Figma to code that matches your design system, reuse your UI components, and we've grown really fast with it. However, as we talk to more and more businesses and developers, we found that a lot of developers hate writing UI, hate designing UI. So why don't let designers do it? So this is what we're building now. Basically, it's a design tool where designers can design using real code components. So what happens is there's a unified design system. So whatever designers make is actually what's going to happen in production. And once they finalize their designs using this design tool with a design copilot, they can then create a PR straight from there. So no more making UIs, and that's going to be the future. So super excited for it. We're still super early, so we're giving out early access. If you want early and free access, you can scan this QR code. And yeah, we'd love to hear your feedback. Thank you.